Hi everyone, I'm Daniel at QNAP and I'm here to talk about how you can use your QNAP NAS as a Plex media server. So let's open up this app. A QNAP is an excellent place to have your Plex media server because a QNAP has an abundance of storage and RAID redundancy to protect your data. Also, a QNAP is designed to be on and available all the time and accessible through the internet. So what you can see is I've already set up my Plex media server. Let's go over the configuration. I've set up other videos, but you can also set up movies, photos, and other options as well, which I'll get into. So I'll go to Settings, to Libraries, which is under Manage, and I will add a library. So you can add movies, TV shows, music, photos. I'm in the process of adding photos right now, but if you want to add photos, you would just click on it and click Next and click Browse Media Folder. Now the part here that could be a little bit confusing to some people is finding the media folder. You need to find the folder in the QNAP that has your media files. Now in almost every case, that folder should be in cachedev1_data. If you've moved your system volume around, there's some possibility of cachedev2_data, but in almost every case it should be cachedev1. And here are my shared folders. So I'll select multimedia, and you just click Add, and then you have your other videos or your photos or whatever category you have chosen. And just click Add Library. So something worth talking about is quality. This is how you set your transcoding. Let's say you're on vacation using hotel Wi-Fi and it's not very fast. Perhaps the internet's not fast enough to stream your 4K video from your NAS to your hotel room. So Plex can transcode your video to a lower bit rate and a lower resolution. So you can set the quality it defaults to, though I will add that for any video you can choose whatever quality you want manually. You can also click Automatically Adjust Quality. For home streaming, I like Use Recommended Settings, which will typically not change the video quality, since in your local area network you typically have plenty of bandwidth, even for 4K streaming. Optimized versions are where if you pre-transcode videos, that's where it should show up. Pre-transcoding can be useful if your NAS is not that powerful. This way, your NAS can take all the time it needs to transcode the video if it's not normally powerful enough to transcode on the fly. So you can go to your transcoder, automatically set the quality, and for the background transcoding, I like to select slower. Slower means it takes the NAS longer to transcode, but it transcodes at better quality. Because this is background transcoding, you're not really in a hurry, so slower or slowest is fine. You could tell the NAS to transcode a bunch of videos, go to bed, and by morning it should be done. You could click Disable Video Stream Transcoding. In some cases where many people use Plex, you may not want someone using much CPU resources. This may still transcode audio, which is probably a helpful feature and takes less CPU resources. So let's go back to Home. So a new feature that Plex now has is TV and movies. There's a variety of free movies and free shows that you can watch without even having to pay. This is actually, I'm very happy that they did this for us. These are the TV shows that you can watch for free. There's news. There's podcasts. And there's Tidal. Titles for music. So that's at least the basic setup of how to set up Plex on your NAS. One last thing I want to add is that if you want to do hardware transcoding as opposed to software transcoding, you will have to buy a Plex pass. Thank you.